How to copy a link in Google on your mobile phone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy a link in Google on your mobile phone. So let's get started. I'm doing it on iOS. However, if you're having Android device, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So first of all, you can open any of the search engine you have on your phone, be it Google, be it Chrome, be it Safari, be it Opera or any other search engine. So what you're going to do is first of all type in Google and then press go and you will be redirected to Google. So what you're going to do is simply type in here anything right now. For example, I'm going to type in something like weather right now, and once you do so, you'll be able to see weather right now over here. So what you're going to do is open any link over here. For example, I have opened this link that is something like this in front of you. So what you're going to do is simply click on this over here. And once you click on it, you'll be able to see a link over here. So you can simply tap on it, copy, and then you can send it to any person you want to send. So that is basically how you can copy a link in Google on your mobile phone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.